In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam privacy settings. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for the app to fully load. Once I'm signed in and on the main screen, I'm heading to the upper left area of the app where my account name is displayed. I'm clicking on my name because that opens the account options and takes me toward the profile controls we need for this setup. Now that I've opened that section, I'm looking over to the right side for the button that says edit my profile. I'm clicking that and Steam brings me into the profile settings page. This is where you can customize different parts of your profile, and from here I'm moving to the left hand menu. In that menu, I'm selecting privacy settings because that's where all the visibility controls are managed. At this point, I'm inside the privacy area, and now I can see several sections with drop down menus beside them. These controls let me choose who can view different parts of the account. I'm starting with the profile setting, and when I open the drop down I can choose public, friends only or private. So I'm selecting the option that fits how visible I want the profile to be. Next, I'm doing the same thing for game details. I'm opening that drop down and choosing whether everyone can see it, only friends can see it, or nobody can see it if I set it to private. After that, I'm moving to the friends list and adjusting that drop down the same way. Then I'm going to inventory and choosing the visibility level I want there too. I'm just working through each section one at a time and setting everything exactly how I want it. Once all of the drop downs are set, there's nothing extra I need to press here. Steam automatically applies the changes as soon as I select them. I'm just pausing for a quick second to make sure each section now shows the privacy level I picked. If anything needs to be changed again later, I can always come back to this same page and adjust it anytime. So just to run through it smoothly one more time, I opened Steam, clicked my name in the upper left, selected edit my profile on the right side, opened privacy settings from the left hand menu, and used the drop down menus to choose public, friends only or private for profile, game details, friends list and inventory. And that's it. Once you've selected the settings you want, Steam saves everything automatically and your privacy preferences are updated right away.